What does a perverted frog say? Rub it. I'll do it again. What does a perverted frog say?
What?
Rub it.
It was a fucking disappointment in your eyes when you were like, I fucked that up. Like, it's so sad. I just had to laugh at you. Oh. Stop being a little bitch. It's fine.
Huh? No. I just need Abby to stop calling me out for pouring half shots here.
Yeah, probably should.
You've done 2. I've done 10 already. We've got through 3
to be
jokes.
fair, his was half full at best, and it's smaller in the bottom. Like you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.